Tara! Let's explore historical places in London.
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time. Welcome to our travel vlog. Hey mga Ka-Lakwatsa! Welcome back to another episode kasama ang mga tito nyong gala, exploring the best of London. This time, historical adventure naman.
Tara, papuntang Central London. Unfortunately, may tube strike. Dito tips, don't panic, open Citymapper or Google Maps. Sobrang useful para malaman kung saan ang best route. Like Red Bus, Bikes, Black Cup, or Uber, or Bolt, your call.
Today's itinerary, we will explore historical places around Buckingham Palace,
Tito tip, just tap with your contactless card, works on trains, buses, lahat. If wala, Oyster card is your bestie. Sulit, easy, tourist friendly. Excited na? Pero heads up, mahabang-habang lakaran to. Tube strike means expect siksikan sa ibang rides. Ready your comfy shoes, good vibes, at extra pasensya.
Guys, habang naglalakad kami, grabe yung architecture dito sa London. Old meets new vibes. Ang ganda! Different buildings with unique windows. Fun fact, alam nyo ba, noong 1696 may window tax? Maraming bintana, mas mataas ang buwis. Ang interesting, di ba?
Welcome to New Bond Street, ang tambayan ng mga fashion elite sa London. Dito mo makikita ang mga high-end store like Louis Vuitton, Longchamp, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Dior. Talagang luxury overload!
Oh my God.
Ang saya talagang maglakad-lakad dito. Kahit window shopping lang. Busog na busog ang aming mga mata. Pero syempre, kung may budget ka for luxury, then this street is your playground. Alam nyo ba, may mga buildings dito na may pangalan ng mga sikat at influential na tao sa London history. Para kang naglalakad sa museum.
Tito tip, want to maximize your London trip? Walk as much as you can. The city is full of surprises, from hidden gems, quirky art, to beautiful architectures na hindi mo makikita kung nakataksi ka lang.
First stop, Green Park. As the name suggests, this place is lush green. Punong-puno ng trees and greenery. Parang nature just hugged you. Ang cool pa, may mga squirrels roaming around. Look at this guy, enjoying his time.
Paglampas mo ng Green Park, energy ship agad. Sasalubungin ka ng mix ng tourists at locals, all walking and vibing in this area. Sobrang surreal kasi isipin mo, you're literally walking on historic royal grounds.
Narating na natin ang Buckingham Palace, one of the most iconic and historical palaces in the world. FYI mga Ka-Lakwatsa, its architecture is inspired by neoclassical design yung Greek and Roman feels, Gregorian at Palladian styles na may konting French flair din.
Fun fact time! Alam nyo ba na may 775 rooms ang Buckingham Palace? Kasama na dyan ang 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 188 staff bedrooms, 92 offices, at 78 bathrooms. Imagine cleaning that!
Want to experience the palace and know about the royal lifestyle? Good news! Open yan sa summer. Check mo lang ang Royal Collection Trust website for tickets and info.
Siyempre, di kompleto ang visit kung walang changing of the guard. Hindi lang tourist attraction, legit military tradition to by real British Army soldiers.
Welcome to Victoria Monument, mga Ka-Lakwatsa. It's built to honor Queen Victoria. She reigned for 63 years from 1837 to 1901. That's the Victorian era. Sobrang iconic. Industrial Revolution, British Empire boom, the major cultural shifts, as in, nabago ang mundo sa time niya.
Fun fact, gawa tong monument sa white Carrara marble from Italy. Same material na ginamit ni Michelangelo sa kanyang sculptures. So yes, it's not just royal, it's art level iconic.
And now, we're walking along the mall. Yes, yan talaga ang pangalan niya. Not a shopping mall, ha? This is one of the most iconic ceremonial roads in the UK.
Fun fact, halos lahat ng big royal events dumaan dito. Royal weddings, state parades, at mga royal funeral processions. Katulad ng kay Princess Diana noong 1997, millions came to mourn along this very road. It's more than just a street, it's a piece of living history. Next up mga Ka-Lakwatsa, St. James Park. Sobrang ganda dito. Full of trees, flowers, and quiet spots. Right beside Buckingham Palace. Pero sobrang chill and peaceful vibe.
Fun fact, did you know? May mga black swans dito. Hindi sila native sa UK. Actually, galing silang Australia. This symbolizes elegance and mystery. Kapag nakakita ka, swerteng Ka-Lakwatsa moment yan.
And of course, meet the OG residents of the park, the pigeons. Believe it or not, dati, ginagamit silang messengers ng royalty. Ngayon, king of crumbs na lang sila dito sa park.
Along the way, may mapapansin kayong mga metal plaques with the rose emblem. This marks the Princess Diana Memorial Walk, a special 7-mile trail that passes through 5 royal parks and highlights Diana's legacy. Every plaque equals a piece of her story.
Tito tip time! Alam mo ba na ang feeding wild animals here is actually discouraged because it's bad for their health. They become dependent at pwede silang maging aggressive.
So best to enjoy them from a distance. Take pics, take vids, but let them stay wild and healthy. Next up, the Household Cavalry Museum. It is the oldest regiment in British Army since 1660 pa, formed by King Charles II, and is still guarding the monarchy today.
Fun fact, nasa loob ito ng Horse Guards Building, headquarters ng Cavalry since 1750. So, legit history trip to.
Sayang! Di namin nabutan ng horse guard sa labas. Kung gusto nyo silang makita, check out these schedules.
Imagine nyo guys, ilang 100 years na ang nakalipas mula nang na-establish tong lugar na to. And yet, nandito pa rin siya, functional and full of stories.
Iba talaga ang vibe dito sa park. Ang calm, ang green, and ang ganda. Perfect spot to chill, people watching, or mag-picnic like a local. Next, punta tayo sa Royal Mews. Dito makikita ang royal carriages, exhibits at stables. Sobrang royal vibes.
Fun fact mga Ka-Lakwatsa, noong 1953, coronation ni Queen Elizabeth II, sakay siya nitong Gold State Coach, papunta at pabalik ng Westminster Abbey. Literal na golden ride.
Now heading back to Green Park. Interesting story about this park? Dati itong libingan ng lepers from St. James Hospital. Ngayon, chill Royal Park na. And that's it for today's Royal Adventure. From horses to history. Solid throwback to. To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out this video if you are visiting London for the first time. Till our next kwento on the road mga Ka-Lakwatsa.